Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for this Coronavirus HQ update. I'm Tyler Jobe. In coronavirus news today, the head of the CDC says masks are the best weapon against the coronavirus right now as cases continue to skyrocket in much of the country. More than 136,000 Americans have died from COVID-19, and Florida reported its highest number of new deaths yesterday. The state is bringing in 3,000 additional nurses to help. Hospitalizations in Texas are at a record high, and the superintendent in Dallas wants to push back the start of school. In an interview with CBS News, President Trump called it a mistake not to send kids back to the classroom.
I would tell parents and teachers that you should find yourself a new person, whoever's in charge of that decision, because it's a terrible decision. Because children and parents are dying from that trauma too.
A new Axios IPSOS poll found more than 7 in 10 Americans say it's risky for schools to reopen. Taking a look at the latest COVID-19 numbers in Wisconsin now, the state has broken another new record for confirmed cases in a single day. 964 new cases were reported yesterday. 18 of those were in La Crosse County. The majority of these cases are people between the ages of 15 and 30. There are 6 new cases in Eau Claire County, and taking a look at the trend in for La Crosse County, 491 of the 611 cases in the county have come within the past month. In our surrounding area, 7 new cases are being reported in Trempealeau County, and 1 new case was confirmed in Buffalo, Crawford, Jackson, and Vernon counties. Looking at the numbers in Minnesota, 578 new cases were confirmed yesterday. There are now more than 43,700 total positive cases. Winona County is reporting 3 new cases. And in Iowa, Wenatchee County is reporting their first death from COVID-19. That is one of 5 added deaths today in the state rather. More than 36 people have tested positive. Well, for you procrastinators out there, it's time to grab your documents and fill out those IRS forms, because today is the last day to file your taxes. The IRS moved the deadline from April 15th to July 15th because of the coronavirus pandemic. If you still need more time to file, you can get an extension until October 15th. And if you've already filed your taxes, you can still make an IRA retirement contribution. That also must be in by midnight. Well, international students are breathing a sigh of relief this afternoon. The Trump administration abandoned guidelines that would have put many of those students at risk of deportation. The plans drew sharp criticism and lawsuits from universities and states, including Wisconsin. The guidelines would have required foreign students to transfer or leave the country if their schools held classes entirely online because of the pandemic. Today, more than 1 million students are celebrating the abrupt reversal of these plans.
It felt like victory at that point, where we're like, okay, we've managed to make something a little bit more human and not let them treat us like we're just other contributors to the economy.
According to the data from the Commerce Department, international students contributed more than $44 billion to the economy in the last academic year. Well, happening today, 2 drive-through job fairs are providing a safe opportunity to land a new position. The first starts at noon in the Logan High School parking lot, and starting at 1, a separate job fair starts at the Eau Claire County Job Center. Those stopping by will get a bag filled with details about job opportunities. The latest numbers show that more than 371,000 people in Wisconsin are unemployed. A combined 550 employers are participating at 11 different locations across Wisconsin. Thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus update. We hope you can join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10.